Tony, today we've seen a great demo of the CircularLine product, which is in the up-to-date catalogue, which just has come out recently. But also within that, you've been working with Open Mind on Trochoidal Milling, haven't you? And it's called the CircularLine?
That's correct, Mark. We've been working with Open Mind on Hypermax trochoidal milling strategies with the new CircularLine cutters. We've had great success with that strategy, and what we've got here is a universal CCR uni product that can now be used across all materials.
So I suppose it's a little bit like one of your other products, the new insert, isn't it? What you're actually saying is that you can actually, or the customer can actually change the actual material rather than the tool?
Yeah, it's a very useful tool in terms of stock rationalization. So if a customer is machining different kinds of materials, they're not having to keep in stocks different tools, different geometries, different coatings. If they're using that strategy and adopting that strategy across different materials, they can just stock the CCR uni, and that will take care of all their requirement.
Now, this up-to-date catalogue has got lots and lots of different products, but are they in stock?
They are, Mark, guaranteed in stock. Everything in the the 60,000 products that we have in the catalogue, all the products in this up-to-date brochure are all in stock. Order by 6:30, guaranteed before 12 noon next day delivery.
And if customers need a little bit more technical help, can they refer to your representatives in the UK?
Absolutely. We have over 40 engineers in the UK and Ireland, technical sales engineers and application sales engineers. So if they need to look at a particular product, look at their own situation with their own machines, their own materials, then we'll go in depth with them to provide a solution.